2023 GMC Canyon debuts with rugged new AT4X trim. Boasting a fully redesigned exterior with a standard factory lift and widened track across the lineup, a new premium suite of advanced technology and an all-new interior design, the next-generation Canyon is built from the ground up to conquer any terrain. The 2023 model year Canyon introduces the first-ever Canyon AT4X option to its lineup. Building on the success of AT4, the AT4X sub-brand is the ultimate expression of GMC's commitment to delivering serious off-road capability. First introduced on the 2022 Sierra, the AT4X trim has quickly become synonymous with robust off-road credibility. Standard across all trims, the high-torque, off-road optimized 2.7 liters turbo engine provides a best-in-class gas engine with 430 pounds-to-foot of torque, GM estimated. The 2023 GMC Canyon will be the first midsize truck on the market to offer a suite of segment-first key features, including available underbody cameras, including front and rear-facing views underneath the vehicle, available head-up display, fully digital driver information center, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, available Google built-in for Google Automotive Services. The 2023 Canyon is set to begin initial production in early 2023 with AT4X in spring 2023. Reservations for the 2023 GMC Canyon AT4X Edition 1 are open now, with MSRP starting at $63,350. MSRP for other 2023 Canyon trims will start around $40,000.